Guys, do you know that there's nothing as difficult as telling historical narratives or trying to document historical narratives that happened 45, 50 years ago? You know, you're dealing with people who are now trying to portray themselves in good light. We're dealing with people who have forgotten about what happened. You're dealing with people who are still angry about some of the things that happened when they were 19, but they still believe that they were right. And it's not easy. But you know that the truth is somewhere in between, and you have to navigate to ubone ukuthi iqiniso lakho nalinga. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and welcome to another edition of the Zipra Liberation Archives, the story or the program that we bring you every Thursday. Guys, we would like to go every corner of the country and talk to everyone as much as we can. If possible, we would want to do this program on a daily basis if the resources were permitting, because there are a lot of Zipra guys that are out there from Urungwe to Harare to Botswana to South Africa, but we can do it with your support. Good description napana, you will find details on how you can support a site. If you click on that link, donate, it will take you to the site website, and you find konapana whether usebenzi Visa, kumbe PayPal, kumbe Mastercard. You can contribute as much as you can and or as little as you can. Every amount goes a long way in bringing this program. This program is 100% funded by you, the audience that watches it, and so please be generous and give as much as you can so that we can cover the many stories. So today, this is one of the episodes that, you know, we don't usually talk about. You know, Zipra was not this big, powerful army. They had their bad moments, the ugly, the bad, and there's certainly wrong things that happened. Remember, it was a war. It was not a picnic. And there was something that was happening in Zipra, which even today it is reflected in the Zimbabwean politics. Umuntu yathengisa kumbe umuntu say renegade. And during those times, being accused of ukuthengiswa, ngesikhathi zabo loBhengola labo mzilikazi wawususelwa amanqe, ngesikhathi seZipra wawulahlelwa egodini kumbe kwesinsikhathi ubulawe, being accused of being a Selite. And you discover ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi umuntu wayesibale jealous because ule watch enhle, or you are more clever than them, and all those kind of things, and those allegations will emerge. So in this program, we are navigating those issues. We are talking to Utraimo Honest Ndlovu, who anti-A Zipra esezambia khona ngale, and he raises these issues of punishment, abantu befaka amagodini, people being accused of ngabathengisi, and all these kind of things. And I hope that while we celebrate Zipra, while we learn from them, we will be able to navigate the uncomfortable truths that happened during the liberation struggle. As many as there are many other uncomfortable truths that happened in the history of Zimbabwe. We are talking about Ikukuraundi most of the times, and many other things that are yet to happen. Our job is to document these things and bring to them in a way that is as objective as possible. Enjoy the episode. Baba lingasitshela mhlawumbe ukuthi lina empini lihambe nini?
Right. Nahamba ekupheleni kuka 75 kwakungu December. Ngachaphela eKafusi. Ngathi eBotswana. Ngafikela eLibonong. Ngasuka ke eLibonong ngesemantu January. Saya eSlibe Phikwe. Sifike eSlibe Phikwe, sabuzwa nje ama details lokuthi wena uyangaphi, uyakuyiphi inhlanganiso. Nasakhuluma sasingu 4. Sakhuluma ukuthi thina singabezapho. Suka lapho sefakwe prison ngoba sasifakwa kuma cells. Sahlala kuma cells a week. Emva kweviki sesihlala vele sesikanisa ukudlala amabhora kwambala amabhanditi. Sazothathwa sayiswe eFrancistown. Francistown futhi sayifika sayisayiswe prison. sazokhitshwa eprison sokuthiwa sesihamba sesiye e-airport sesihlangane labanye khona ngale sabe siyagada indege. Sigada indege leyi yayisehlisela uSaka kwakusokuntambama. Sahlala sathathwa ebusuku vele lesikhathi angikwazi ukuthi kwakuyisikhathi bani but kwakusebusuku. Ukuthi kwakungesela into uyibonayo ukuthi lapha kunga. Lapho ungena emotweni. Sawubona sahamba nje abantu abaphonga uhamba bengazi ukuthi bayanga. Kodwa thina sithi empini uthi uthathwa mbani vele ungasuza ukuthi phonga uthathwa kuphela. Ngangena emotweni sihambeni. Sangena sahamba. Siloko sile uthemba lolelo ukuthi ayisithathwa ngabantu abakithi. Sahamba sezwe imoto isiphumile ithala singamagojo. Sefika enkambeni phakathi kobusuku. Inkambe safikela kiyo kwaba yiNampundu. Safika lapha eNampundu. Sahlala sanikwa kuzimpayi zethu tuhamba nje sihambeni lethengisa izindlu. Awufika nje esihlahleni twelala khona phela uvela into ongoyo kwayijayele.
Ngapho njalo usuke ekhaya usiye egangeni.
Usuye egangeni. Isikhathi esafika ngaso isikhathi izulu lisina kakhulu. Inkoto yotshani sedlula wena ilana utshani bokufulela lokugcwele kokugwero. Phonga uthiwa khona usuza qala ukuthalaza ukuthi kathi manje kuthiwe khona apha njani azothiwa ilingezwe iPemba ikhala. Ekuseni igijime liye parade ile sayitshengiswa. Impemba ingakhala iye khonapho siyabe siyahlangabeza unkomo. iPemba yakhala sibile ngamafongo yabona ngamafuvu lokhu simnyama. Savuka ugijima khona ngalo chingu yakho khonapho. Gijima yanga. Ngangilesi isikhipe angisigqokile esasibhale American Boy. So kwaba luhlupho lo isikhipa lesi sibhale ukuthi American Boy. Wena umfana wama-American mina what. Sikwe lapha ukukhishwe. Isikhipa sami sesikiwe. Lami ngilandele khona lokho. Qalisa ukube lokho siyegijima sifike sifake emanzini siphume sesivela ngale yikho lapho esabuya sesinikwa amabizo.
Awutopomba waphonga unikwa.
Ongadophi. Uphonga ukuthi ubiza ibizo lakho. Ungabiza ibizo lakho ukuthi present usunikwa wena ibizo.
Okay.
Uthe ibizo lakho sokungubani ongalikhohlwa lelo obuye lalo lelo sulichiye. Ayiselo ngelakho. Omunye ngiyakhumbula omunye sabuya la wangunango ngobantu. So esasuke sonke ekhaya. Nikwa amabizo sesizile ibizo lakho hlula imaster. Umuntu angakubuza ukuthi ngubani usumtshela lo lelo bizo. Kwaba yikho khona lokho. Saqalisa ukuhlala every day sigijima. Manje ukufikeni kwethu kulinkamba le sasizwa besitshela bethi inkamba le yayilamazandla kudala.
Kodwa yini?
INampundu.
Okay.
Amazandla la asuka la sesuka sesiya kubo Tanzania ku Mozambique so kwavalwa icompany inkamba le. So sathola kuyindawo ukuthi amazandla la babefuya ingulube. So izingulube lezi zazibulawa nje kuyisithebo sethu. Asazidlela ingulube zazaphela zonke ezazikhona. Wayizo zahlatshwa siba isithebo sihlatshwe siba isithebo. Right lapha sihlezi kwaze kuthiwa sokukhethwa. Ngoba kwakulabanye ngobukhulu labanye abancane. Kusiya ngama size. Kukhethwa. Kwase kukhethwa abanye bahamba bayemembeje. Thina abanye sasala. Tese sikhethwa ngegroup thina esibili. Sase siyavula enye ikambo eChipekete. Kwakuthiwa yiCGT 1 eChipekete. Sayivula satrainer sibili khonapho ngiyabona kwazi kwakwana 7 or 8 months. singela muntu osenza i-pass out parade sitrainwa kuphela sikhona kwagcina sokuthiwa no inkamba leyi amabhunu sebeyibonile sebeyazi so somele siyivakwethe inkamba leyivala ukusuka kwethu laphana sahamba sasuka kuntambama la Litshoni sahamba the whole night
yezimoto
nginyawo kwaze kwephuma ilanga sasefika esafika khona sokuthiwa inkamba yethu yona safika ngama-1 kungazange kumiwe sisuke ngama-5 sefika kusasa khona emini ngama-1 yikho sithe sesifika laphana saba khona phana yabona for 3 weeks I think so yikho kubuya kukaJoshua esezosinika i-pass out parade.
So uphasa out lapha susiya ngaphi wena?
Semphasa out la sengumuntu ovele sethalela ukuthi asitraine kakhulu isikhathi sabaside sesingabantu abafuna ukubuya ekhaya kuyabuya kuthiwa parade li-parade kubuye kukhethwa abantu sokukhethwa abantu hamba kukhethwa abantu bethathwa izimoto behamba wona ulokhu usala khethwa kwaba buhlungu kwaba into ebuhlungu kakhulu kuthi manje abantu laba bayakhethwa bayahamba thina siyasala
endawo nomuntu okuchasiselayo
hayi akula muntu okuchasisela ukuthi labana bakhethwa baya ngapha awukwazi phongithiwa parade lingapareta ngamakhampanini kube ukhethwa banye bahambe awusambone nalo muntu ohambile somgcine khona ukuthi uya ngapha usozule kwazi kwaze kwafika kwesinye isikhathi lami osokukhethwa sobesihamba besithatha siwe Lusaka sifike Lusaka laphana ukuthi hayi lina selisiya ku-further training usutshelwa usuli awutshelwa ulapho ukhethwe khona utshelwa usuli kuthiwa liya ku-further training asasiyinamba sibili of 200 sasuka sesifika ngale eRussia kwasokukhethwa futhi so kukhethwa ukuthi wena so usiya ngama-department abanye sebesiya e-Ukraine the rest thina sabe sisala khona pha sibe sisele singu-12 sesele singu-12 ukuthi alright lina manje seleza kwe-Siberia the train anti kwakugodola indawo leyo yakhumbula omunye umfana eshoneni sasilayiwa ngani umncane imbijana kuladi hayi wakho umkhathaza ehlala ekhala ngesnow seyiqeda i-training ivele ehlala ekhala kuphela ngoba kwakugodola hayi ngayenza izegi 1 ngayenza izegi 2 sesiqedile ngale sadonsa sibili 6 months basothi right selibuyela hayi lathi sabuya sesilezigqoko zama-Russia lezale ngwale zale zoboya hayi lathi sesikhanya ukuthi singabantu abavela lamawatshi sesilama-watshi ngoba sasitrainer sinikwa kunye okuyimadlanyana mbijana sike sithathwe izimota siyethenga lathi okunye kuyizinto esukuthenga asifika ngapha sifika ngapha sathola abanye amadoda bala abadatshukile saqalisa ukudisha out konke imisa sinakho sesidisha out kwabanye baba mnandi waba njalo right sengisiyahamba ku camp liyana esayenzela khona i-pass out parade i-CGT2 sengikhona phana sengihlezi kule group yama-instructors avele ekhona labo dry peche labo Velaphi labo Goronga labo Chiki bakhonabo then amadoda laba bakhanya ngani i-supply ngabuya kule supply ephitshwayo yokudla ukuthi ngiyama-instructor ibe sisiba le story usayodwa so mina sesitrainile amanye amadoda anti sesimbobhethu sibuyile lathi sesiqalisa lathi ukudeploy. Mina kwasokundihlupha ukuthi kanti manje ngizaba lamasosha lapha alambile. Izegu uma uyisebenzisa uyabuhlezi njengoba nihlezi anti inyawo zinabile zithe utrigger ngonyawo. I-left hand ye-elevation yokuphakamisa i-barrel siyaphansi siyana. I-traverse yile uyawubhodisa umbhobho ubhoda 360 degrees. Manje umuntu elambile kungabuye enemy lapha umuntu uyabanjwa isiyezi phela lokho ebhoda.
But the instructor badla kuhle.
Instructor badla kuhle. Ukudla kuyashoda. Kwesinye isikhathi kungabi khona. Kuqeda nje ama 15 days half a month kungela kudla. Mina ngabe ngiqalisa ngathi no lapha ama instructors lala atshela abantu bonke ukuthi akula umuntu ophuma enkambeni. Umuntu ophuma enkambeni singambona le-Zero Scout. Mina sengihamba ngiyaba address ngathi madoda thina siko anti thina kasivalelwa phakathi kwecamp. Because kuyaba lezinye indawo ngaphandle ngale ezilama open space. Uthi enemy yakwanisa ukuyelanda i-helicopter. Ikwanisa ukwenza ezinye izinto ingakafiki la. We should know i-surrounding ye-camp yonke. Up to about 50 kilometers i-radius surrounding ye-camp. Kumele sibe yazi according to our training. Angibonga ufika ngihlale kuphela khona lapho ngingakwazi ukuthi emaceleni ukulala. Into leyo abazange abayizwisise. Sangani siyahluphana sibili ngendaba le. But ngacina ngiforce mina ngamandla. Then from there supply ngabuya ngithi hayi mina phela abantu bami laba amasosha ami kasoze adle ekitchen. Ngoba ngesikhathi ukudla kusiba khona ngale kitchen isikhathi enemy i-attack. Ngokufunda kwami. Kumele kuona kukhitshwe ngoba umbhobho uyi-1 ulabantu abangu-5. Kukhitshwe ngoba i-supply kukhitshwe 50 kg ngombhobho. Le beans ikho nalokho lokudla lesitshebo esikhona yikho khona. Baziphekele bona ngesikhathi sabo. Plus embhobho kabapheki nge-hour eyi-1. Abanye bakupheka ngenye hour umunye umbhobho upheka ngenye hour ukuthi abanye bebilinde. Yaqala into yakhona ingani kabayizwisisi. Kodwa baze bagcina beyizwisisa. Ngakho nokho ke okokuthi thina siya patrol. So ngangisithi ngingapatrola ngihambe kumbe ngithola ibhalabhala ngichaye. So uma ngitshayela ibhalabhala lani so obvious ngiyesupply imbhobho yami. Ukuthi badle. Ngacana sengingani sengumuntu omubi ku-administration. Ekhona ogoronga zokuthi try no se wayebulala isidumo kadle yedwa kwathini sebengani sokuthi abumobilize abantu ukuthi bangani amanye ama-comrade angangizwisisi. But amanye ama-comrade bayala belokhu bengizwisisa. I-admin ingangizwisisi. Ngathi lami sengibona into ezinjengalezo. Yikho kwesinye isikhathi uyezwa abanye abantu balwile. Kodwa kuyaba kusuka entweni ezinjengokungazwisisana. Ngithe sengenze kanjalo ngase ngicina lami sengizonda ngibona ukuthi right sebemobilize abantu ukuthi ngizondakala ngamanye ama-comrade. Mina kodwa mina ngivele ngilwela ukuthi ngidefende bona. Ngacina lami kwelinga ngingena e-storeroom yawo e-logistic yawo. Ngakhipha konke ukudla abantu babengela kudla. Ngahambisa ku-main kitchen ngathi akuphekelwe abantu. Silambeni sonke.
Kwaba ngumsindo.
Umsindo lo waba khona waba mkhulu sibili. Kwakuyimi lo Backstad. Usasonke ku-anti. One day sisehlangane kade soku-organize abanye abantu ukuthi bakhiphe imagazini ku-AK. So kubunjwe inye i-camp ekuthiwa yingozi camp. Ingozi camp leyana o-Elias labo dry patch here. base beye kuleyani camp behlukanise nama instructors lawo labo chiki baya kuleyani camp. Thina sala la bangikhiphela umagazini uBackstad bamkhiphela umagazini sikhona ngalo kukhishe phansi ngale. Sabe siserawundwa. Sabe sifakwe egodini. Kwathiwa singama renegade. Saba lokunzima egodini yabona sahlala 2 months. Igodi lele kwakugejwa isiduli. Sigejo so akuvele kwaba kumnyama bangavele bafaka ilitshe so. Noma emini yawo kumnyama phakathi.
Abongaboni phakathi.
Abongaboni lutho.
So udla babe ujikela phakathi.
Uyaphuma uyenikwa udle uphinde ubuyisele. But now phakathi lapho bafaka utshani kulamagenga.
Uyabuthola ufayela utshani ukuthi magenga kulume.
Akulume. Thina sabe sizama ukuthi sipolicize bona bana amadoda abasigadile. Madoda lapha leyabona kunje. Ayisukuthi thina singama renegade. Thina senze so. Lani libele ukukhanya. Labana abantu abasebesizwisisa. Sebesinika more time phandle. Singekho phakathi. Sagcina thina sesicabanga ukuthi singathatha le iPK3 le yalo yala siba holdise lawo. Vele abantu abatraine ngemuva vele kwethu la vele sizaba overcome. Sakwenza khonokho. Saba holdisa sabe suka thina siphuma sibuyele ema position.
So li 2 lathathela abantu abangayi.
Babe isikisi.
So li 2 lathathela abantu aba6. La kwenza njani?
Sathatha iPK3.
That's the most powerful one.
Stated iPK3 sasaliwa yipa.
Latha day 1.
Bahle basarenda. Sabathathela imbopho leya. Sabe sisuka sisiya ku headquarters. Safica bese amatendeni. Amatendeni lana ayiblue le white so. Bechazika bezixoxela bese lokhuzini. Bese ematendeni bazi.
So uze CGT1 lapho.
Sabe sifika thina. Sabe sivula ngombopho. Kuthatha saba holdisa. Ecommand yena lana yonke kade khona lapho. Kwaba ithusa ukuthi kade siphume njani ngale godini. Saba holdisa. Saba thathi gun down bafaka imbopho phansi. Sasisibatshe ukuthi lawo izinto eliyenzayo lapha ayikho right. Thina kasilacala lana silana senza ngalo. But vele kasilwi lana kade sasilidubula umuntu thina. Sifuna kuzothi sina sithi gun down la sifuna ukulichazisela ukuthi nali sithatha njengezigidi. Kodwa isizozidla thina. Singabantu lathi njengani, singama revolutionary njengani. Bagcina Goronga nguye chief of staff athi alright. Sesilizwisisa le madoda ayilingabuyela kuma position. Sabe sihamba.
Lani ngesa ukuthi bazalilandela vele idubule.
Hayi sesithethe imbopho. Sasathatha imbopho leyana vele chose. Sahamba naye. Siteze singali thina. Sesihlezi. Sazobizwa futhi sibabili. Kwasothiwa no kulabantu ababalekileyo engozi camp. Abantu ababonakala. So kule 15 days. So liyacelwa lina ukuthi lihambe le engozi camp. Sefika sahamba labanye nje. Sifika labanye sihambe labo. Sifika lapha sahlangabezana noKhomisari Elias. Wabiza iparade. Abantu babuya. Bathaya lo Backstad lo Trainers babuye lapha bazolisincedisa lapho ukuthi kuyedingwa abantu labana abangabonakaliyo. Kodwa you should be very careful. Laba abantu ngama snipers. Once you play anything these are snipers. Kati parade lay addresswa njani so. Kati lapha sathi sabona ukuthi lapha kusho ukuthi thina silanda ukuzochaywa. So kube batshelwa ukuthi ngama snipers vele ungamkhuthi. Umuntu wakhona. Ngoba ungamkhutha wena Asathula kuthiwa kulo company D, liyaphuma lo company D kusasa. Asilalanga lelo langa. Kungani kuyasikhathaza. Hawu. Savuka kusasa wakhona kuseni sahamba lo company D. Sesikhulumile thina ukuthi ndoda manje lapha umuntu esefuze sidile la ekuqala ngocompany commander wecompany D. Nguyo le information. Siyahamba sesiphakathi. Kuyabe kwedlula omunye comrade so. Kuyabe dlula phe abavunyela ukuthi baxoxe lathi. Uma edlula on passive uyaphasa amazwi. Uthi madoda libe careful. Kuthi lapha esilala khona linaliyabulawa. Udlula kuphela ngumuntu ohamba.
Yeah.
Umyela uyabuya adlula futhi usitshela into efana. Ama-orders zonke lo commander. Nguyeza yenza isignal. Lapho kuthiwa siyalala khona. Umyela sithi abantu laba babalekanga laba siyebathinga. Sibe sitshontshiwe thina sitshontshiwe la. Ikhempi le ngeyinyanga. Thina sazihambela lathi siyezwa amuntu edlula phansi ngesitshela nje, edlula omyela esitshela nje asitshela khona. Abantu labana babalekile ukuthi kubulewe abantu abaningi la. Uvele ungavele ukhulume ngonkomo kuli camp. Uyalaliswa phansi edwaleni, idwala khona likhona ngale camp. Uchawuda kwinkaba lapha ngogodi ufe welahla. Baningi abantu asebefile. Maye la abantu babalekile khonoko. Ukuthi babone ukuthi sitshontshiwe. I wonder why sometimes abanye abantu besithi Mangena was good. Mina kimi by those things engazibona, I proved him to be evil against the revolution.
So do you think Mangena was behind your suffering?
Yes, because bona la abantu behamba bedlula besitshela zona izinto. Besitshela ukuthi nguye obuya enkambeni. And these people ababekhona la ama-instructors lawo, they were behind him. So siyahamba. Kuthezo kusiya kuthi hayi kuthiwa sesizapheka lapha sizalala lapha kwesinye isifula kuZambezi. Sesifike kuZambezi ukuthi sicabangela ukuthi abantu laba singabafica kuyena le area. Yiko lapha ehle sayiqa khona thina sathathela lokuzeni PK3 futhi ucompany commander. Sasaholdisa la bonke labana ade bephansi kwakhe. The rest of the people ngokuthi bona babelokhu bedlula besinika ama information by passing. Bedlula duze lathi so besinika ama information. They were against that. Kwahle kwaba yihold. Icompany yonke sayithatha. Sing2. Sesibuza.
So command commander wakuba.
Fana wathi kwathiwa umbani ibizo lakhe sendikhohliwe. Sendikhohle ibizo lakhe ucompany commander no. Sesibuza thina kanti vele kahle kuhamba njani enkembi lapha lathi kuhamba njani ukuthi ize silethwe lapha kuthiwa siyadinga abantu. Wathi alizwa ngeparade kuthiwa khona la abantu ama-snipers. Sathi sizwile. So besimangala ukuthi kathi sizatshelwa lina ngobunaipa bethu njani. Thina sniper amabhuku. Asnipe amakhombe. Wathi yebo kuthiwe alikhutho. So by that ukuthi thina babatshela ukuthi singama snipers plus abantu laba betrainiwe bengazi bangena ekhaya. Bangazibali. Kwahlanyela ifiye futhi kiwo. Uma sesi-actor bahle babe weak. Okungenye indlela it was a blessing on disguise.
Yeah.
Ngithi ngoba zange ba-act kwahlanyela ifiye kiwo. Kwahamba njani wathi hayi so thina lapha kuthiwa vela kukhulunywa ngezaphu la. Thina singama fighters einyanga revolution iparty. Yebo kodwa abantu laba balahlekile bakhona yini? Bathi abantu balahlekile bakhona. bakhona abantu abalahlekileyo sibini. Abantu laba bebengu-7 kodwa abalahlekanga, babalekile. Bathe basakukwanisa bona bafuna ukuzama ukuthi badinga amanye amakhempi akhuluma ngezibra lonkomo. Le kayikhulumi ngezibra lonkomo.
Am I